Welcome to the listening channel of Peak English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation at Circle K. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about ordering hot food and drinks. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What flavor of Froster does Amelia choose for her drink? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Alex, look! There's a Circle K over there. I want to try it.
Oh, nice. I love Circle K. Let's go.
But wait, I have never ordered hot food at a convenience store before. Is it like a fast food restaurant?
Not exactly. It's much faster. You just order at the counter, pay, and go.
I don't know how to order. I'm afraid I will say the wrong words.
Really? Don't worry. It's not that hard. I go to Circle K a lot. I will show you how.
But there are so many choices. Look through the window at all those machines. Why are those sausages rolling around?
That is called a roller grill. It slowly cooks the hot dogs and keeps them perfectly warm.
Oh, I see. That looks delicious. But I don't know where to start my order.
I know it looks like a lot, but the good news is the steps are always the same. Every time you go to Circle K, you follow the same simple steps.
Okay, please tell me. I want to know before we go inside.
Sure. First, you choose your hot dog bun. They usually have plain white buns or whole wheat buns.
Are the buns cold?
No, they keep the buns in a special warmer box, so they are always nice and soft.
Oh, that is great. Okay, the bun first. Then what?
Then you choose your sausage from that roller grill. There are choices like classic beef, spicy jalapeno, or cheese-filled.
Okay, the bun, then the sausage. Got it. What's next?
After that, you choose your topping. Things like onions, jalapenos, or sweet relish.
Relish? What does that mean?
It means chopped sweet pickles. It is a very traditional topping in America.
Oh, I understand. Bun, sausage, and toppings. And after that?
After that, you choose your sauce. Things like ketchup, yellow mustard, or mayonnaise.
Okay, and then?
Then you order your drink. Circle K has a famous drink called a Froster. It's a very cold, icy, slushy drink.
Oh, that sounds very refreshing. And after the drink?
After that, you just pay at the register. That's it. So the steps are bun, sausage, toppings, sauce, drink, and pay.
Oh, that sounds easy. Bun, sausage, topping, sauce, drink, and pay.
That's right. You remembered it perfectly.
Okay, I feel a little better now. But I'm still a little nervous.
That's totally normal. But I will be right next to you the whole time.
Thank you, Alex. That makes me feel better. Let's look at the menu posters on the window first.
Good idea. Let me look at the pictures too. What kind of sausage do you like? Do you like beef or pork?
I think I like beef. I don't want anything too spicy today.
Then I highly recommend the classic beef sausage. It's very popular and safe for beginners.
Okay, classic beef. I will try that.
Great choice. And for the bun, I think you will like the plain white bun. It's soft, simple, and slightly warm.
Plain white bun. Okay.
Now, what about the Froster drink? There are 3 sizes: a small, a medium, or a large.
I think the medium is enough for me. The large cup looks way too big.
Okay, a medium. Look at the machines inside. They have a few colors today.
I see a red one, a blue one, and a purple one. What is the blue one?
The blue one is blue raspberry. It is very sweet and slightly sour.
Oh, blue raspberry sounds fun. I'll choose that one.
Okay, let's practice your sentence before we walk in. You will order a classic beef hot dog on a white bun and a medium blue raspberry froster.
Yes. A classic beef hot dog on a white bun and the medium blue raspberry froster. Let me say it one more time. A classic beef hot dog on a white bun and a medium blue raspberry froster.
Perfect. You sound very confident.
I'm practicing. I don't want to forget when it's my turn.
That's a smart idea. Oh, look, the line is moving. It's your turn now.
Hi there. Welcome to Circle K. How are you doing today?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. I would like to order a hot dog, please.
Great choice. Our hot dogs are very popular around this time. What kind of bun would you like?
Do you have the soft white buns?
Yes, we do. We have plain white and whole wheat. I can get a nice warm white bun from the warmer for you.
That sounds perfect. I'll have the plain white bun, please.
Good choice. And which sausage from the grill would you like? We have classic beef, spicy jalapeno, and cheddar cheese.
I would like the classic beef, please.
Perfect. So, a classic beef sausage on a warm white bun. Now, would you like any toppings on that?
What toppings do you have?
We have chopped onions, fresh jalapenos, and sweet relish. You can choose as many as you want.
Wait, do you have dill relish or sweet relish?
We only have the sweet relish today.
Oh, that's exactly what I want. I would like the sweet relish, please.
Sweet relish, sure thing. Would you like anything else? Maybe some chopped onions?
No, thank you. No onions for me today.
Okay, no problem. So, just sweet relish. Got it. Now, what sauce would you like to finish it off?
What sauces do you have?
We have ketchup, yellow mustard, spicy brown mustard, and mayonnaise. If you're not sure, ketchup and yellow mustard are always a safe and classic choice.
Oh, that sounds good. I'll have ketchup and yellow mustard, please.
Ketchup and yellow mustard. Would you like a lot of sauce or just a little?
Just a little, please. I don't want it to be messy.
Okay, just a little drizzle. Your hot dog looks great. I will put it in this small paper box for you. Now let's step over to the register.
Thank you so much. It smells really good.
Okay, welcome to the register. Would you like anything else today? We have drinks, chips, and donuts.
Do you have a combo deal for a hot dog and a drink?
Yes, we do. If you buy a hot dog and any size froster, you save 50 cents.
That is a great deal. I would like a froster, please.
Awesome. What size cup would you like? We have small, medium, and large right over there.
I would like the medium cup, please.
Perfect. And what flavor are you planning to get? We need to know for the inventory.
I'll have the blue raspberry, please.
Great choice. It's very popular. Is that all for you today? Do you need any extra napkins?
Yes, that's all. And yes, a few extra napkins would be great. Thank you.
Okay, is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We want to eat outside on the bench.
For here, got it. With the combo discount, your total comes to $4 exactly.
$4. Okay, that is very cheap.
How would you like to pay, cash or card?
Do you accept Apple Pay?
Yes, we certainly do. Just tap your phone right on the screen of the machine.
Okay, let me try. Like this?
Yes, perfect. It beep. Your payment is done. Here is your receipt and your napkins.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome. Grab your Froster cup right there and fill it up at the drink station.
Oh, I see. I feel it myself. Thank you for telling me.
No problem at all. Enjoy your hot dog. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, let's fill your drink and find a seat outside. You did it, Amelia. You ordered all by yourself.
I did it. I was really nervous, but I did it.
You did great. Your English was very clear and easy to understand.
Really? I was worried that my pronunciation was bad.
No, you were perfect. The staff understood everything you said immediately. You spoke very clearly, and it was very smart to ask about the combo deal.
Oh, I'm so relieved. I remembered reading about combos online, but I was nervous the whole time.
You didn't look nervous at all. You looked very confident using your phone to pay.
I was trying hard to look calm, but inside, my heart was beating very fast. I was so afraid I would drop my phone.
Well, you did a great job hiding it. Okay, now let's finally eat. Try your hot dog.
Okay, let me take a bite. Oh, wow, it's really delicious. The classic beef sausage has a nice snap when I bite it.
That sounds amazing. And what about the warm bun?
The plain white bun is so soft. It feels like it just came out of the oven. You were right about the warmer box.
I always get the white bun too. How are the toppings?
The sweet relish is very crunchy and fresh. And the ketchup and mustard are perfect. It's not messy at all because I asked for just a little.
See, Circle K is fun because you can make your own food exactly how you want it.
Yes, I really like that. You choose everything yourself. It feels like it was made specially for me.
And what about your Froster?
Let me take a big sip. Oh, ow.
What's wrong? Are you okay?
My head hurts for a second. It is freezing cold.
That's a brain freeze. You drank the icy Froster too fast. You have to drink it slowly.
Oh, a brain freeze. I will remember that word. But the blue raspberry flavor is sweet and very refreshing.
I'm glad you like it. And now you know how to order. Next time, you can do it completely alone.
Alone? Maybe. I think I can try.
I'm sure you can do it. You were really great today.
Alex, I learned a lot today. I was really scared before we came in, but now I feel much better about ordering in a store.
That's great to hear. What was the hardest part for you?
I think choosing the toppings was a little hard. When he asked me if I wanted dill relish or sweet relish, I panicked for a second. There were so many choices, and the staff was waiting for me. I felt a little pressure.
I understand that feeling. But remember, the staff was very patient with you. They are used to it. I realize the cashier just wants to help. He wasn't rushing you at all.
Yes, that's true. The staff was very kind and smiled a lot. That helped me relax.
Okay, let's review the steps so you remember them next time. First, you choose your bun.
Yes, plain white or whole wheat.
Right. And then?
Then you choose the sausage from the roller grill, like classic beef or spicy jalapeno.
Good. And after that?
Then the staff asks about toppings, like sweet relish or chopped onions. And remember, the toppings are free. You can add as many as you want.
That's right. And then?
Then you choose your sauce, like ketchup or mustard. And you can ask for a lot or just a little.
Perfect. And then the drink?
Then you ask for a combo deal. You choose the size and flavor for the froster.
Yes. And finally?
And finally, you pay at the register. The staff asks if it's for here or to go. And then you can pay with cash, card, or even Apple Pay.
You remember everything perfectly. I'm extremely impressed.
I think I can really do it by myself next time. I just need to be brave and try.
That's exactly right. And if you don't understand something, you can always ask the staff to say it again. Just say, "Could you say that again, please?"
Could you say that again, please? That's a very useful phrase. I'll remember that.
It's one of the most important phrases when you are ordering food in English. Never be afraid to use it.
Okay, I won't be afraid. Alex, thank you so much for helping me today. I could not have done it without you.
You're very welcome, but I think you're better than you think. I'm really proud of you, Amelia.
Thank you, Alex. That means a lot to me. I will try again next time. Maybe I will try a different sausage and a whole wheat bun.
That's a great idea. There are so many choices at Circle K. You can try something new every time you go.
Yes, I will try again next time. I'm not scared anymore.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What flavor of Froster does Amelia choose for her drink? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with useful tips for real-life situations. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.